Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to create this delicious pack of Oreo in 8 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, delete everything. Then add a circle. Go to edit mode. Now press E, then press S, and scale it a little. Then do it 2 more times. Now just press Ctrl F and select Grid Fill. OK. Now subdivide it 2 times. Now go to right orthographic and press E, then extrude. Now use Ctrl R to add a loop cut and scale it. Press A to select all and then pick up smooth. Push it a little. Now enable Display Normals. Then press Alt-N and select Recalculate outside. Now disable it. Go to UV editing and add your JPG Oreo. I will put mine into the description. Now press U and select Project from View. Now scale it. Now add Displace modifier. Then go to the texture and add your Oreo picture. Go back to modifier and just change the strength. I think -0.03 is fine. Now add a subdivision surface and grab it on top. Put the level on 2. For better result you can add a smooth modifier. Now press Shift D and duplicate it and grab it on top. Now add a cylinder and then use S to scale it down. Select the top face and use E to extrude. Then use S to scale. Do it for the other side. Add a loop cut and scale it a little. Now add a subdivision surface on level 2. Now put it right between these beautiful Oreos. OK. Great. Let's go for Add Materials. Select the top face and go to Shader Editor. Now add a noise texture, color ramp, and bump. And connect them like this. First, select your base color. Now increase the scale and detail. Then play with the colors. And finally decrease the strength. Select the material for the other side. Select the middle and add your base color. Cool! Press Shift D and duplicate it multiple times. Now you can select the middles and change the color. Let's add a cube. Scale it till take all the Oreos. Now right-click and subdivide it 50 times. Hide the cube. Then select all and press Shift-D to duplicate. Then press Ctrl-J and join them. Now unhide the cube. Add a shrink wrap modifier. Now pick up the joined Oreos. Cool. Play with the offset. I think 0.03 is fine. Now apply it. Then add a subdivision surface on level 2. Now go to Material, click on New. Put the transmission on 1. And put the roughness on something near 0. Put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Then go to Render View. Now it's time for add some lights. Add an area light and grab it on top. Then increase the power. Also, you can duplicate it and add more lights. You can set the color for each one. Add some color for background. We can change it later. Add a camera, place it wherever you want. Just play with the lights and add some different light, like spot and point light, and find your best result. Let's change the plane's color to white. I think it's better. Let's change the Oreos color and make them a little brighter. Cool. Now just click on Render Image and wait. And this is our delicious Oreos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.